Hey, good day everyone. Check out this fake owl decoy I have here. It's to scare birds away from this garden area. It's almost 16 inches tall. It's 15.8 inches. It's got a rotating head. The owl sculpture's head can sway along with the breeze. It's connected by a flexible spring, and the head of this owl decoy sculpture can be adjusted to your desired position. This fake owl scarecrow scares birds away from fruit trees or vines. It's also the natural enemy of pigeons, rabbits, squirrels, wild bunnies, seagulls, varmints, raccoons, and small mammals. It's got especially big, yellow, bright eyes with a realistic physique to frighten birds and keep the annoying visitors out of your garden, backyard, patio, and deck. The fake owl for bird deterrent is made with high-end waterproof plastic and hand-painted non-fading vivid color. This adorable and vivid owl decor can embellish your garden, patio, yard, house, restaurant, hotel, and other spaces. The decoy owl head rotates 360 degrees and has a wind panel on the back of its head. That comes with it, and you just slide it in that little slot on the back of its head, and it acts as a wind vane naturally. The wind panel can be found inside the owl sculpture's body sometimes with the packing. And if you move the owl decoy around regularly to keep critter friends guessing, the protection will last a long time. And this realistic design is specifically for the North American environment, being one of the most common owls in North America, active in wetlands, grassland, forests, backyards, cities, and even deserts. Overall, really happy with this thing, and I know it's going to do the trick. Thanks for watching, everybody.